Okay, I'm going to show you how to complete the assignment 3A, the clustering. So as usual, first we go to the portal, Azure portal. Okay, portal azure.com. Oops, sorry. Then log on. Yeah, so already logged on. I have done that just now. So the same process same procedure we have done many times. So create a resource, then the machine learning workspace. After that, close, then create. I speed up the first and second in creating the Azure machine learning workspace and creating compute instance, because we have done this many times here. Create new. So the assignment 3 RG. Okay, then MLW assignment 3. Okay, then after that, wait for a while. Then I will click create. Yep. Okay, then it will take a while. Okay, so for the screenshot, as usual, you need to create screenshot for the machine learning workspace. After that, the compute instance. After that, this will create the data set from the external data source, which is a Penguin dataset. So the Penguin dataset contains 4 numeric column and species code. But we're going to use the clustering, the non-supervised learning, to assign or to let the machine learning to group the penguin into 3 clusters. And we would like to see if that clustering assignment is a match or similar to the species of the penguin itself. Okay, so just wait for a while. So this creating the machine learning workspace, it will take a while. Okay, so done. Then I quickly create the compute instance. So this is the machine learning workspace. You can take the screenshot there. Launch the studio. And compute. Okay, so give the name for the compute instance. Ryan I. Okay, the cheapest. The rest is the same. Create. Okay, so this will take a while. Just leave it running to create. Okay, then we go to the data, and I'm going to create the data set. The name is penguin dataset. Tabular, and then next the locations from the web file, and then the next, and the location of the dataset is from the https aka.ms / penguin data. Okay, click next. Validating. Yep, So just change this one. Only the first file has headers. Okay, review, then create. Okay, so done. We explore. So as I mentioned, we have the 344 rows, and then 50. So this one is 50 rows, yeah, 5 column, and this is a species. Okay. Yep. So you can take the screenshot, yeah, as the data set. So let's check and look in the compute whether still creating. Yeah, don't worry, we just leave it. Then go to the designer. So we're going to start creating the pipeline. So in the pipeline, we click the new to create the pipeline, and then I change the name to the penguin train penguin clustering. Yeah. Okay. Copy. Save it. Okay. Then after that, we drag the penguin dataset here. Okay. You may want to preview the data. Yes. This is the data. Yeah. So this is the species. This is all the numeric. Yeah. The body length, tab length, then flipper length, and body mesh. Okay. So save it first. So as usual, we're going to select column from the data set. Yeah. Okay. So go to the component. Okay. So for the pipeline, we're going to include all the column except for the species. Okay. So column name. After that, all the columns. Yeah. By name. Yeah. All the columns. Then species. Exclude this. Okay, save. After that, close, and after that, continue with the clean missing data. Okay, so in a clean missing data, we remove, yeah, the entire row, columns to be clean. Okay, we're going to include the all column. Yep. Okay, then save. After that, close it. Okay, after that, continue with the normalize the data. Okay, for normalized data, we also going to select all the column numeric, then column to transform. We're going to include all the column. Yep, so save it. Okay, after that, we're going to save, close, and run the pipeline. Create a new. The experiment name is MS Learn Penguin Training. Okay, so next, then hopefully the compute instance already created. Yeah, okay, so very good. Next, after that submit. Okay, so the pipeline is submitted, and we can go to the jobs. Okay, after that look at this still running. Yeah, so just wait for a while. Okay, let's refresh. Still running. Yeah, it takes a while, everyone, so let's just wait for a while. I think maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll complete in a while. Okay, we got a message that the pipeline completed. Then we click to see. Yep, okay, good. So the data has been normalized. We can preview transform dataset. So all the numeric value already been converted with min-max into the scale value from 0 to 1. Yeah, okay, good. So we can close, then go back to the designer. Okay, so we're going to train the model with the k-mean clustering, but before that we split the data. Okay, for the split 0.7 randomly split with the set 1 to 3. Okay, save, close. After that look for the k-mean clustering. Okay, in the k-mean clustering, then after that train the cluster model. Okay, so here you go. Then score the clustering model. Sorry, assign data to cluster. Yeah, so train the cluster model. After that assign data to cluster model. Okay, here you go. Then click this one, and we're going to pass the data set after the split, yeah, this one, into this. In the train cluster model, then we're going to use the column set all column. Okay, yep. So then after that in the k-mean clustering, we're going to tell the cluster to create the three groups, yeah, three cluster. So here, three cluster. Okay, then after that 30%, 70% done already. Assign data to cluster. Yep, I think everything is okay. Yes, okay, then we can run again. Save and run. We use the existing experiment, then submit. Okay, go to the jobs. Yep, so look at the latest job. Yes, okay, so still doing. We can wait, this may takes a few minutes to complete. Okay, so the pipeline completed, and we can view the assigned data to cluster, preview the data, result dataset. Yep, so here you can see that we have the cluster assignment based on the distance to the cluster center, cluster 0, 1 and 2. So you see it will select the minimum. Yeah, for example, for the first row, minimum is 0.18, so that's assigned to cluster 2, and this one is a minimum. Yeah, so assigned to the cluster 0 and so on. Yeah. Okay, so this example of how the clustering k-mean clustering works. Yeah, it will create the centroid, or the center of the cluster. After that, measure the distance between that observation with the center of the cluster and choose the lowest distance. Okay, the last part is to evaluate the model. We need to go back to the designer. After that, open the pipeline, then scroll up, then evaluate the model. Yes, okay, here you go. Then just drag this. Nothing to configure. Wait, okay, so drag this. Yep, then save. After that, run again one more time. Okay, go to the jobs again. Refresh. Yeah, here you go. Yep, so continuing very fast because only check the evaluate the model, the last one. Okay, done. So we right click to preview the data evaluation result. Yep, so it is showing you the average distance to the other center, and then average distance to the cluster center, which is quite low, yeah, 0.2, and the number of points, and the maximal distance to the cluster center. Okay, so this is the if you have the other model, then you can compare these metrics, yeah, to compare which one is better. The shorter the distance is better. Okay, then we created this cluster. Yeah, then after that, the result of this is a cluster. After that, if you have the new data, like new penguin is discovered, then you can pass the data, then it will give you the prediction. Yeah. Okay. So that's the clustering. So delete the machine learning workspace.